Well, well, well. Bet you never thought you'd hear my voice again. Trying to ignore me? We both know you can't. You really thought that you could get rid of me that easily? Well, think again, little Stell. How does it feel not being able to speak? Powerless, huh? Now you know how I feel when you try to block me out. But look at who's the only one speaking now. I want to finish where we started, little Stell. You really think these pills are going to get me out of your head? Stop trying, you look pathetic. When will you ever understand? I'm not leaving until you are. That's why you're gonna do it. It's the only way you will ever get rid of me. How is that for a thought? I gotta say, I never thought you would stand up for yourself. Last time was pretty surprising. It did leave you without a voice though. All of this. The pain, the craziness, everything. It would have all been over by now if you would have just stuck that knife deeper in your throat. But you didn't. Why? Because you think you're important? Because you think people actually care about you? Well, guess what? No one cares about you but me. This is not a nightmare, baby. You're not gonna wake up by hitting yourself. Remember, we talked about this before, little Stell. You belong to the world above. And in order to get there, all you need to do is jump. I see you looking at that window, Stella. Remember, I see everything you see because your eyes are mine. You belong to me. That's good, little Stell. Keep opening the window.